राजेन वैरानुकथनं प्रति रामाया वेदितं सर्वं प्रणयादुःखितेन च प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण तदा वालिवधं प्रति वालिनश्च बलं तत्र कथयामास वानरः सुग्रीवस्यङ्कितश्चासीत् नित्यं वीर्येण राघवे राघवप्रत्ययार्थं तु दुन्दुभेः कायमुत्तमम् दर्शयामास सुग्रीवो महापर्वतसन्निभम् उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः प्रेक्ष्य चास्ति महाबलः पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनं बिभेद च पुनः सालान् सप्तैकेन महेशुना गिरिं रसातलं चैव जनयन् प्रत्ययन् तदा ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन विश्वस्तः स महाकविः किष्किन्धां रामसहितो जगाम च गुहान् तदा ततो गर्जद्धरिवरः सुग्रीवो हेमपिङ्गळः तेन नादेन महता निर्जगाम हरीश्वरः हनुमान् यतदातारां सुग्रीवेन समागतः निजघान च तत्रैनं शरैनैकेन राघवः ततः सुग्रीववचनात् हत्वा वालिनमाहवे सुग्रीवमेव तद्राज्ये राघवः प्रत्यपादयत् स च सर्वान् समानीय वानरान् वानरर्षभः दिशः प्रस्थापयामास दुदृक्षर्जनकात्मजां ततो वृद्धस्य वचनात् सम्पातेर्हनुमान् बली शतयोजनविस्तीर्णं पुप्लुवे लवणार्णवम्. This is Kishkindha Kanda, and Rama went with Hanuma, and Sugriva and Rama both are now friends with in front of Agni, and they did promises each other. I will get your kingdom and you will get my, and then Sugriva wants to test Rama. He is really hero. Why? Because the Vali is a great Shaktiman, right? He has great Shakti. He have a like money came from Surya. Whoever in front of the Vali, their Shakti going towards Vali. Yeah, that's why he is really hero or not. I want to test something, and the Rakshasi called Dundubhi killed by Vali, and there is a mountain of what we call bones. Is the Dundubhi Rakshasi's bones. A big mountain. Rama, this bones mountain only from one Rakshasi called Dundubhi, killed by Vali. Do you know this mountain? If you want to throw these bones away from here, this is the first test. And Rama, his what we he did like this, what we call with the toe. And that went to almost Dashayojana Vistirna. Dashayojana Vistirna means 10 yojanas away. 10 yojanas away, that mountain went. And then Sugriva told Rama, these are only bones. When the Rakshasi with Pranam, he killed, right? That's he is not satisfied. Then the called Madhi Vriksha, what we call in English, I don't know, the Sala Vriksha in Sanskrit, the like a teak wood, more than the strong tree, like a red chandan and teak, like those called Sala Vriksha, that is the strongest tree. If Vali hit Sala Vriksha, the Vriksham will be fell down. That's why Rama, this is a Sala Vriksha. I want to see your arrow's power. Then Lakshmana said, Rama, he is bhayam about Vali. These tests are going. If you want to do, then he have get clarity about your strongness. Then Rama shoot arrow, and that arrow went not only one tree, 7 trees. Sapta Vriksha. And those 7 trees are not in the line. One tree is here, one tree is here, one tree is there, and one tree is there. And arrow went and do the tree 2 parts, and there and there, and like a zigzag. Arrow went. And after 7 trees, Girim Rasataram Chaiva. And there is a big mountain. And the arrow divided 2 parts the great mountain. And there itself, and arrow went to the Rasatala, the Patala Lokam, and came out of came to Rama. Is this okay, or do I want to do more? And okay, I am fine. Then Sugriva is satisfied. He had more power than Vali. And then Rama killed Vali and did Pattabhishekam to Sugriva. And Sugriva invite all the Vanaras and for searching Sita, and everyone went. Somebody went east, somebody went north, somebody went south, and somebody went west. And Hanuman went south with Angada and Jambavanta. And there is the end of south, there is a sea always, right? Near the sea, they can't see anything out of sea. And there we came so many. Vali actually, Sugriva did time period is there. 1 month is time period. If you see the Sita or not, whatever it is, you have to come back within a month. But they already went 2 months to reach the sea, and they are not looking Sita. They are not finding the Sita, and they are on to. If we go back, definitely they going to kill us. And now we can kill ourselves here. And there is a Pakshi is there called Sampati. That's Jatayu's brother. And Sampati also don't have wings. Sampati also don't have. Why? Because whenever they are younger, Jatayu and Sampati, they went for race. Yeah. Who is the who can fly high? And that time Jatayu is going fly towards Surya, and Surya is